Hey guys! Today we are making this delicious one-pan meal with chicken, sweet potatoes, zucchini, onions, garlic, and even some chickpeas. Serve with a side salad, and just like this chicken, you'll be golden.
Chef Steph.
For easy cleanup, line a baking tray with tin foil and grease with a little bit of olive oil. Using a paper towel, pat the chicken dry so that the skin will get extra crispy, and then place on your pan. Cut up a few sweet potatoes. Do the same thing with one green squash. Add some slices of a small yellow onion. Add a few cloves of garlic. And finally, I know this is going to sound funny, but you're going to want to trust me on this. Add some chickpeas. If you're making this for more than 1 or 2 people, then double the recipe and place all the chicken on one tray and all of the vegetables on another tray. In a small bowl, I chopped up some fresh rosemary and sage, but you can use any type of dried or fresh seasonings that you would like. Add the olive oil. Using your hands or a brush, make sure everything gets a little bit of the seasoning. And finally, you're just going to sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Place in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. To make this just a little bit more crispy, you're going to set the broiler on high and cook for another 5 minutes. Nice and crispy. If you enjoyed this quick, healthy, throw everything in one pan and cook it meal, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you all on Thursday for a Sweet Tooth Thursday episode, and as always, keep it classy.